Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 2, second question. Right. The second question is, you see, second question is identify second question is identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. You have to identify the terms and factors. Right. Let us find the terms and factors. That is number 2. 2a. Question number 2. And we will find the terms and factors of question number A. Terms and factors. Here see, number A is, what is given? minus 4x plus 5. That is minus 4x plus 5. That is minus 4x plus 5. You find the different terms. Terms are terms. These are various terms. Terms are minus 4x 5 terms, and factors are factors, and the various factors are, you find the factors are minus 4 and x, and for this 5 it is 1 into 5, right? That is 1 and 5, right? These are the factors. Now for question number B. Question number B here you see is question number B. Question number B is minus 4x plus 5y plus 5y. Therefore the terms are, various terms are minus 4x 5y minus 4x 5y. These are the various terms. And if you find the factors are factors, if you find the factors, then the factors are, here it is minus 4 and x, minus 4, that is term minus 4 and x, minus 4 x, and for 5y it is 5 and y, 5 and also y. These are the factors. Now question number C. Question number C here you see is 5y plus 3y square plus 3y square, right? Various terms are, you see the terms are the various terms are, one is 5y and the another one is 3y square. If you find the factors, then the factors are 5y, right? And for 3y square the factors are 3y, right? The factors are 3y, right? Now question number D. Question number D here you see is, question number D is xy plus 2 x square y square x square y square. Therefore the terms are, the various terms are xy and 2x square y, 2x square y square. Therefore the various factors are factors of xy. Factors, we are not writing the one as factors because one is the factors of every terms. Therefore we can write here also as x and y, right? The first one is x and y. X factors are x, y. Now if you find the factors of this, that is 2 x, x, y, y. These are the various factors of 2x square y square. Now question number E. Now we see question number E means this one, PQ plus Q, PQ plus Q, PQ plus Q. The various terms are PQ and Q. Terms, that is one term is PQ and another term is Q, right? And the factors can be written as, here you see the factors. The factors can be written as PQ, that means P and Q. These are the factors. And for Q, it is 1 into Q or 1 and Q. These are the factors of question number E. Now question number F. Question number F here you see is, question number F is 1.2 AB, 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6A plus 3.6A. Now if we find the terms, various terms you will get, that is 1.2 A and B. The terms are, the various terms you are finding, terms, the various terms you will get 1.2 AB, 1.2 AB. Another term is minus 2.4 B, minus 2.4 B. Another term is 3.6 A, 3.6 A. Therefore, you will find the factors. Factors are, if you find the factors, you will get factors. The various factors are, one is 1.2, 1.2. Factors are 1.2 A and B, A, B. These are the various factors. Now for this, the factors are minus 2.4 and B, minus 2.4, 2.4 and B, right? And the factors for this term, that is 3.6A, is 3.6, 3.6 and A. These are the factors of the terms, right? That is 3.6 and A. These are the factors. Now we solve question number G and H. Now we solve question number G and H. Here you see question number G is, question number G you are finding that the question number G is 3 by 4x, 3 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The various terms are, if you find the terms, then the various terms are 3 by 4x, 3 by 4 x and 1 by 4. These are the various terms. And if you find the factors are, the various factors you can write here as factors are, you see the factors are 3 by 4 x. The factors are 3 by 4 and x, and for these factors, that is 1 and 1 by 4, right? Now question number H. Question number H here you see is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 plus 0.2 q square. Terms are, the various terms are 0.1 p square, 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. Therefore the factors are, the various factors are Here you see, for this 0.1 p square, the factors are 0.1, 0.1, p, and p. These are the factors of 0. And for these factors, we'll get 0.2, 0.2, and q. These are the factors of the terms 0.2 q square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.